Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie that both adults and kids will enjoy and love. I'm going to start by cutting a few fresh leaves of kale and spinach from my backyard. These are both really healthy and contain chlorophyll, which helps with purification of the blood. It helps with energy levels, it helps with detoxifying and cleansing of the body. Kale and spinach are usually very popular to put in green smoothies. They also have a very light taste, so they won't really interfere with the kids' taste buds, and they really are very rich in vitamins and minerals to help energize you. I'm going to start by washing my leafy greens and then we'll head to make the smoothies. So here we have frozen mango, frozen berries, a banana. I have dates to sweeten. You can use honey, you can emit it all together. I'm going to use some coconut water. It's really hot here, so coconut water will help replenish the body, replenish the fluids, and it'll give you that energy boost that you really want. So I'm going to start here by adding my leafy greens as well as all the other ingredients, and we'll get started blending. If you don't have any frozen fruit or berries, feel free to add ice. You can also easily substitute the coconut water for milk, oat milk, almond milk, or you can even add a cup of chilled green tea for that detoxifying weight loss smoothie. I'm using Vitamix here, so it will take me about 20 seconds for the smoothie to be all blended and ready to go. If you're using a regular blender, you might need to pause every few seconds and just give it some help with a spatula. Just mix the ingredients through. My kids really love this smoothie, and all the berries and mango that we used and banana really help to cover the kind of bitterness of the spinach and kale. They honestly don't realize it. It's just perfect at disguising all these leafy greens. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.